What if I told you that with just 1 year of focused effort, you will be able to land your first job in cybersecurity? No matter what your background is, whether you are new to tech or switching careers, this step-by-step plan will guide you to success. Hey tech people, I have a plan to help you land your cybersecurity job within less or more than 1 year. I will break it down month by month, so you know exactly what to focus on at each stage. Stay till the end because I will share some bonus tips and free resources that will supercharge your journey. So let's jump right in. Months 1 to 2, build a strong IT foundation. The first step is understanding the basics of IT. You need to know how computers work, troubleshoot common issues, and solve problems like a pro. The focus areas include operating systems, basic hardware and software management, troubleshooting common issues. For certification, you can start with CompTIA, a plus, which covers the essentials for beginners. Time commitment involves dedicating 3 to 5 hours daily to complete this step in 2 months. Months 3 to 4, learn networking fundamentals. Cybersecurity is all about protecting data, and understanding how it moves through networks is key. The focus areas include networking models such as OSI, TCP, or IP addressing and subnetting, protocols like HTTP, HTTPS, and TCP, basics of routers, switches, and firewalls. For certifications, start with CompTIA Network Plus for a broad understanding. If you want a challenge, aim for Cisco CCNA, which is highly respected. Dedicate 2 months to networking. Months 5 to 6, master operating systems. Operating systems are at the heart of cybersecurity. You will need to know how to manage and secure them. For Windows, you must be proficient at file permissions, logs, and user management. For Linux, master yourself in command line navigation and system tools. Here is a pro tip. Start with the OS you're most familiar with, but aim to learn both since Linux is a staple in cybersecurity. Spend 2 months diving into operating systems. Months 7 to 8, learn to code. Coding might sound intimidating, but you don't need to become a developer. Just focus on what's useful in cybersecurity. For this, you can learn Python. That is beginner-friendly and widely used for automation and scripting. Learn Bash for Linux or PowerShell for Windows. These are essential for system automation. Dedicate 2 months to coding basics. Months 9 to 10, dive into cybersecurity fundamentals. Now it's time to focus on the core of cybersecurity. The focus areas include risk management, vulnerabilities and threats, security protocols. Certifications include CompTIA Security Plus, industry standard for beginners, Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate, which is a great guided online course. Spend 2 months solidifying your understanding. Months 11 to 12, specialized defensive or offensive security. In the final stretch, decide whether you want to focus on defending systems known as Blue Team or testing their vulnerabilities known as Red Team. Option 1, Defensive Security Blue Team. Learn to analyze logs, detect threats, and secure networks. Necessary certifications for this are Cisco CyberOps Associate, PSSA by TCM Security. Option 2, Offensive Security Red Team. Practice ethical hacking and penetration testing. Practice platforms include TryHackMe and HackTheBox. You can get the certifications like EJPT Entry-Level Penetration Tester, CompTIA Pen Test Plus. Spend 1 month specializing and 1 month practicing hands-on skills. Things to do alongside include networking, job preparation, continuous learning, and job search. So, build your network by attending local meetups, webinars, and conferences to meet industry professionals. When you are prepared with all the necessary skills, then update your resume and LinkedIn profile to reflect your skills and certifications. Document your learning by creating a portfolio that includes projects you've completed, for example, labs and coding scripts, certifications earned, any relevant volunteer work or internships. Engage in practical exercises using platforms like TryHackMe, HackTheBox, Capture the Flag CTF challenges, Apply for internships or entry-level roles to gain practical experience. Stay updated by following cybersecurity news, blogs, and podcasts to stay ahead of trends. Tailor your applications and prepare for interviews by practicing common questions. If you don't secure a job immediately, continue learning and applying. Now, time for bonus tips for supercharge your success. Number 1 is hands-on practice is key. Certificates are great, but real-world skills are what employers value most. Use free labs and tools like TryHackMe to build experience. Number 2 is consistency over perfection. Stick to the plan, even if you can't study every single day. Last but not least, work on your soft skills. Develop communication and problem-solving skills, as they are crucial in cybersecurity roles. If you follow this roadmap, dedicating just 3-5 hours a day, you can be job ready in 12 months. Everyone learns at their own pace, so you don't need to worry if you are taking a little longer. You can learn more by visiting our website. There we offer plenty of courses to enhance your knowledge. If you have any questions or you need any advice, let me know in the comments and I'll be glad to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who are considering to start their cybersecurity journey. Until next time, stay tuned for more tech updates.